iSADTU ithi asiphusile neze isinyathelo esithathwe uMnyango wemfundo njengoba izingane ezimsulwa zizofela ubala. Kunokuthi lamaphepha abhalwe kabusha izwe lonke, leNyunyana ihlongoza ukuthi othisha bamake sakuhlola ukuhlonza abafundi abazophendula ngendlela ebonisa ukuthi babanjelwe.
The fact of the matter that the evidence that we have is that there is an inconclusive evidence, and therefore the numbers that we have that might have and might not have seen or even used the question paper can only be determined at the time of marking to establish exactly what are the facts and how did this leak spread and so forth.
UMnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo uthi azilime ezitshini.
Even if we were to say you are going to localize this rewrite and confine it to a particular space, those people that are going to write would say, how do you know that the people in the next village or in the next township or in the next suburb were not involved in this, because we have not established scientifically that they are excluded. So how, on what basis are you excluding them? Why are you just targeting us? So there's no escape on this one. The legal action is there. It's something that we're expecting, but we believe we will be able to use the opportunity in the courts to explain the complexities that we've encountered in the course of investigating this matter.
Ngeshwa omunye wabafundi ogama lakhe lingadalulwanga ukumvikela uthi uma bephoqeka ukubhala kabusha uzozibulala. Ubekhuluma ohlelweni leSABC iMorning Live.
It's depression. Like I went through a lot, and I don't feel myself living after. I don't see myself in the school this upcoming weekend. I don't see myself in this school. We started 3 nights, slept 2 hours. Studied 3 nights for the whole papers, and they are telling us that we must rewrite. Like how?
Kusinjalo owengamele ezemfundo KwaZulu-Natal uKwazimshengu unxuse bonke abafundi abahambela umcimbi owabe usePlattenberg Bay eGoli ukuthi bayohlolelwa iCovid-19.
We encourage all of them to get tested, to quarantine, so that they don't further spread the virus in case they are affected.
Izindaba zeSABC ngingunqubeko Nzimande.